Hello everyone. First, you need to understand that what cryptocurrency trading is, why it is popular, and what are the benefits and challenges of trading crypto. You can use some information from this article to introduce the topic. Body. Discuss the main tips and strategies for becoming a successful crypto trader, such as diversifying your portfolio by investing in different cryptocurrencies and avoiding putting all your money in one asset, using technical analysis tools such as Fibonacci retracements, moving averages, and Bollinger Bands to identify trends, support and resistance levels, and entry and exit points. Keeping track of news and community sentiment that can affect the market price and demand of cryptocurrencies. Choosing a reliable exchange with low fees and high security, setting order types such as limit orders and stop-loss orders to manage your risk and reward. Practicing self-control and discipline by following your trading plan and avoiding emotional decisions.